Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about 4x to the power of 3 dx. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. This one we change by u. S to the power of 3 dx we change by this one. Now we can use about the integration by parts. So I will put about t equal to arccsec of u. We do first the derivative of this one, and you got about negative 1 over s multiplied by the square root of s squared minus 1 du. This is u, not s. Then we have dv, that's about 1 over 4 du. The integration of this one, you got about v equal to 1 over 4 u. So we have t multiplied by v minus, we have the negative in here, so you got about positive, and we have the integration. We have 1 over 4, I will put in here because u divided by u, so you got about this one left. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to secant of t, because if we put this one, you got about tan t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and du. You got about secant of t tan t dt. So u we change by secant of t, du we change by this one. So secant of t squared minus 1, you got about tan t squared, and this one you got about tan t. Now we just have secant of t. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t in here, that's about this one. So secant of t with u, you change by u first, and then we have t equal to secant of u. So we put this one, we change for t, and then we return back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.